Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Andrew with Nashville Severe Weather, and we're taking a look at the radar here, just kind of giving a forecast update on what's going on out there today and this morning. And this is the line of storms here you're looking at on radar. This is the big line of storms that came from out west, and this is what's left of it. So it's just kind of falling apart, and not much left of it right now as it's coming in. So this is, of course, Davidson County here, Williamson County here, where Franklin is, and this is it. This line of showers and is really all that's left. So it's really sort of falling apart. Not much left of it as it's coming through. But let me switch us over to a wider view, and let me show you this. This is kind of a loop of what's been going on for the past several hours. Big line of storms went through Memphis and caused some damage. And about the time it hit Jackson, it just sort of fell apart. And then another line really redeveloped right around the Tennessee River, and then it fell apart as well as it moved east. So it's just sort of cycled a couple of times, but we're really not expecting. The instability is so low, the storm food, in other words, is so low here toward I-65 that we just don't really expect them to regenerate like they did back to our west. So this line of storms that came through Memphis today, this morning early, is the same line that went through Dallas-Fort Worth, and you've probably seen the damage in Dallas this morning and the suburbs off to the north of Dallas that experienced what appears to be a pretty decent-sized tornado out there overnight. And that's part of this system, but as we've been talking about the past couple of days, it's just sort of falling apart as it moves east, and that does appear to be happening. So, I mean, even as far as rainfall, I mean, look how weak the rain is that's, in West Tennessee. So there is more moving up out of North Mississippi, down here around Oxford and Tupelo, North Mississippi, that's pushing to the north. You can kind of see how it's riding north, but we're just not expecting a lot out of this system. So transitioning back to radar for just a second, this is what's going on for those of you joining us just in the past couple of minutes. This is right here in the metro area and down to the south, down I-65. Just got these storms, not even really storms, they're just some rain. Storms have fallen apart, and the rain is pushing off to the east. So let's switch back over, and I'll show you a couple of the models this morning that just show what we are expecting. Let me back up a little bit. This is the let me go to the HRRR model. We use it pretty frequently, and it is, let me do this. All right, let me back it up here. It shows the rain in West Tennessee, and as it moves east, it falls apart and weakens and just leaves some showers west of I-65. And then it's showing actually some possible regeneration of some storms later this afternoon. We'll see if that happens. Not sure if that'll happen or not, but the HRRR thinks that there could be some heavier rain develop around mid-afternoon or so. And then that pushes off to the east, and maybe even still a couple of heavier downpours move through about 9 o'clock or so this evening. So that's what the HRRR shows, and then it sort of redevelops as it moves off to the east into a line. Let's go to the NAM3, and NAM3 is really showing the same thing, okay? So here's HRRR, and there's the NAM3. It's a little stronger, but that's no surprise with the NAM3. So let me back this up. And NAM3 also shows the rain coming in, falling apart, and then as it moves to the east, it also redevelops some heavier rain here around mid-afternoon. That'd be about 3 o'clock, something like that, 4 o'clock. And then pushing through. And it also shows a little bit of redevelopment of some heavier showers just to the northwest of Nashville and pushing through here. So they're actually showing some pretty similar solutions and then redeveloping off to the east. So the HRRR and the NAM3 are actually agreeing pretty well today, which is really kind of unusual. So that's what the models are showing could happen. So basically, this round of showers that's moving through right now, and I'll push through over the next hour or two, that may not be the only round today. We could see some other showers come through this afternoon, and especially later this afternoon into this evening. So we'll keep an eye on it, but that's what we're looking at today. Temperatures should be up in the 70s if it warms up good ahead of this front. We'll just have to see. It's going to be a windy day, so strap down the lawn chairs and the grill and stuff in the backyard, stuff that can blow over. Don't have the umbrellas up on the patio. It's a nice weekend, but don't have the umbrella up on the table, on the back porch or anything like that. So that's what we're looking at, and we'll see what happens over the next couple of hours. But once this line of showers comes through, it's really going to be weak sauce there for a while. and we may see some redevelopment later. We'll check it out. All right, y'all have a great day. Talk to you later.